In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the performance icon in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If your Edge toolbar is feeling cluttered or you just don't want that performance button showing up anymore, this quick guide will help you turn it off in seconds. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is where you'll find the main browser settings. From the menu, click on Settings. That will open the full Edge settings page. On the left side, or sometimes in the main settings area depending on your version, click Appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and what buttons appear on the toolbar. Now scroll until you find the toolbar option. Click it to open the toolbar settings. Inside the toolbar settings, look for the Performance option. You should see a toggle switch next to it. All you need to do is toggle performance off. As soon as you switch it off, the performance icon should disappear from the Edge toolbar. That's it. The icon is removed and your toolbar should now look cleaner and less crowded. If you ever want it back later, you can always come back to the same toolbar settings and turn performance on again. So to quickly recap, open settings, click appearance, click toolbar, and then toggle performance off. Simple, fast, and done in under a minute. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful browser tips, and I'll see you in the next video.